The Torah many times compares the Jewish people to different creations in Hashem's world. A few weeks ago we read, and it's also mentioned in Parashat Bereshit, Ki Adam etz hasadeh, a man is compared to the tree of the forest. What do a tree and a man have in common? How can Hashem compare us to a tree? What is there to learn from the tree? So if you look at the properties of a tree, the science, the biology behind the tree, there's two main facts about a tree. A tree will always grow towards the light, towards the source of light. That's why if you look outdoors, you'll see that the trees always grow upwards because they're growing towards the sun, which is above it. If you take a plant and you put it in a box and you put the light source from the side, the plant will naturally eventually grow towards the side. It will grow crookedly. That's one fact about a tree. The second fact is that a tree grows very slowly. If you take a tree that's been around for many, many years and you slice it across, you will see that it's developed many rings. Each ring that the tree has represents 10 years of growth. It takes 10 years for the tree to develop each ring. It grows in a very slow but solid manner. Hashem wanted to teach us two very valuable things. He says, if you really want to grow like a tree, there's two things you have to do. The first thing is, you have to grow towards the light. What is the light? We see that the pasuk says, Kiner mitzvah v'Torah or. The ultimate source of light is Torah. If you want to grow in the proper way, the path to grow is through the light of Torah, the light that Torah shines upon our lives. The second thing that Torah mentions is grow like a tree. Look at the stump of the tree. It took 10 years for the tree to develop each ring. Growth, real growth, is things that we're going to keep in 10 years from now. Not things that we're just going to take upon ourselves and then a week later, 2 weeks later, a month later, a year later, whatever it is, it'll fall down, we'll totally forget about. But true growth is things that are attainable, things that will stick with us for many, many years. So the key point is to grow like a tree. Know the proper way of growth. The proper direction to grow is the direction towards the Torah. Grow upwards towards the Torah, and make sure that when you are growing, you're taking things upon yourselves that you can attain and keep and maintain for many, many years to come, just like the tree.